How to use your pyramid energy mat and release your body's freedom. First, place your mat on a flat, hard surface. You see the markers on top where the magnets are. Place 1 foot on each of those markers. Take your time getting used to the mat here. When you're ready, walk your feet into the middle. They will end up on top of the pyramid. You'll feel it intensify each time you come in close to the top of the pyramid. You can also go 1 foot at a time, taking your time to explore each foot. You explore the different acupressure points of the foot, and if you had a reflexology chart, you can check to see where it relates to in the body. As these acupressure points are stimulated, muscular tension releases, circulation of blood is promoted, and the body's life force energy is enhanced to aid in healing. Really take your time exploring the body, exploring the feet, exploring which points relate to which part in the body. This is a fabulous way to wake up the body. I find that when I stand on this, it travels up to my hips and pelvis, and I know that it helps release the tension in my neck and shoulders as well. So this mat is definitely going to be one of your key components to health and vitality and to knowing your body even more. So enjoy.